I'm Jerry from Gleaners here at Kennedy Elementary in Warren, part of the Van Dyke Public School Systems, and I'm here with the principal, Melissa, who uses our programs to help reach hungry kids. Why?
So many of our kids come to school and they're hungry. We're able to provide them with snacks here at school, and also they can go to the mobile pantry once a month for food at home.
And they get backpacks of food on the weekends as well.
Correct. We're able to send those home for them so that they have something for the weekend. This has really shown to increase student achievement here at Kennedy.
For many kids, the only food they're getting is in schools. These programs provide critical help. Please be generous today. There are students in every school district in Michigan who get free or reduced price lunch in school. These are the kids and families who need your help. Today, your donation is doubled thanks to the Weingarts family. That means that $1, which normally buys 3 meals for a hungry neighbor, buys 6 meals today. Call 1-866-GLEANER or go to myfoxdetroit.com.